These leaves help clear phlegm and cough rapidly, alleviating emphysema. Watercress, Nasturtium officinalis, is a semi-aquatic perennial herb from the Brassicaceae family, renowned throughout history for its culinary, medicinal, and even aphrodisiac qualities. Typically found along the banks of gentle streams and rivers in Europe, Asia, and America. Watercress boasts small, round leaves with a distinctive peppery taste. Its flat clusters of small white flowers, known as corymbs, bloom just before the plant matures. Harvesting the fresh leaves before flowering is crucial, as they turn bitter and lose their palatability afterward. Watercress serves various purposes, acting as both a flavorful herb and a medicinal agent. Additionally, its juice enhances the taste and health benefits of other vegetable juices. Packed with fiber, antioxidants, vitamin C, beta-carotene, folate, potassium, calcium, phosphorus, and iron. Watercress outshines even milk in calcium content and surpasses spinach in iron. Its active compounds, classified as thioglycosides, provide antithrombotic and mild anticoagulant effects. Moderate amounts of vitamins B1 and B2, zinc, copper, and manganese further enrich its nutritional profile. Despite its robust and bitter taste, watercress is never used in isolation but rather incorporated into juices, salads, or dishes for its health benefits. Utilizing watercress for respiratory ailments. With its sulfur glycosides, watercress proves effective in easing respiratory issues, including colds, phlegm, cough, asthma, and emphysema. Fresh consumption: eat about an ounce of fresh watercress 2 or 3 times a day. Boiled infusion: boil a bunch of watercress for 5 minutes, then drink warm throughout the day. Juice blend: combine watercress with carrots and ginger for a phlegm-fighting juice. Drink until relief is felt. Consumption tips: incorporate watercress into salads, sauces, or soups. Dilute concentrated watercress juice with other vegetable juices to enhance palatability. Mix with carrot, potato, spinach, and turnip leaf juices, adding parsley and lemon for a milder taste. Caution: individuals with bladder inflammation should limit watercress intake due to potential bladder pain. Those with hyperthyroidism should moderate consumption due to high iodine levels, consulting their doctor if on medication. Moreover, watercress also has the following effects: anti-anemic power, abundant in iron. Watercress plays a pivotal role in treating different forms of anemia. Vitamin C, present in these leaves, enhances the absorption of iron, promoting the synthesis of hemoglobin and the maturation of red blood cells. Anti-inflammatory charm, enriched with vitamin C. Watercress possesses remarkable anti-inflammatory properties. This attribute extends relief to individuals dealing with conditions such as colds, flu, and other inflammatory ailments. Antioxidant and anti-cancer magic, functioning as a reservoir of antioxidants, watercress diligently combats free radicals, thus thwarting premature aging and mitigating the risk of cancer and various chronic diseases. Aphrodisiac allure, steeped in historical significance, watercress is associated with aphrodisiac properties, likely attributed to its high zinc and iron content. Blood glucose control: while not definitively proven, watercress demonstrates potential in regulating blood sugar levels, potentially owing to its soluble fiber content, a boon for individuals managing diabetes. Bone health: boasting an optimal blend of calcium, magnesium, manganese, and vitamins A, C, and K, watercress contributes to the fortification of robust and healthy bones. Cough relief: the sulfur glycosides within watercress alter bronchial secretions, functioning as an effective expectorant and offering relief for various forms of chronic bronchitis. Digestive support: vitamin C and fiber in watercress stimulate salivary and gastric secretions, fostering enhanced digestive function. DNA protection: laboratory findings indicate that regular consumption of watercress fortifies cell resistance to DNA damage in lymphocytes. The white blood cells crucial to the immune system. Eye and hair wellness: abundant in phytonutrients like lutein and zeaxanthin, coupled with vitamin A and zinc. Watercress promotes eye health. Meanwhile, its sulfur, iron, zinc, and vitamin A content benefits the scalp, addressing issues like dandruff and hair loss. Hangover remedy. Watercress juice, concentrated with detoxifying goodness, activates enzymes in the liver, providing a natural remedy for recovering from a hangover. Purification. Revered for centuries for its purifying effects, watercress enhances diuresis and facilitates a thorough colon cleanse, effectively eliminating toxins from the body. Skin soothing. Applied topically. Watercress juice offers relief for skin conditions such as eczema, contributing to an overall improvement in skin health. Dental strength. Chewing watercress contributes to dental strength, fortifying teeth and alleviating issues like gum bleeding and gingivitis. Thyroid support. With its high iodine content, watercress emerges as a supportive ally in preventing goiter, enhancing thyroid function, and alleviating symptoms associated with hypothyroidism. Give the above formula a try if you or your loved ones are facing issues with bronchitis, asthma, or respiratory problems, and share with us the wonderful experiences you may encounter. Thanks you.